Yo, cleanse me, clean me of my sour soul and vicious. My mind races from the satellite dishes. No technology, this world's corrupt. They can't feed me food for thought. I won't budge, I'm a twisted individual. They say critical, I say nigga, I'm on top of my pinnacle. Chessboards and swords, alphabetical darts. My clan is Bravehearts, I move like Paul Blart. Sloppy, go ahead and try to stop me if you can. Your casualties of war get left in the sand. I'm Iron Man, a stone-faced killer with a mask. Don't want the truth, then don't ask, you couldn't handle a task. Rigorous, my war face is one that God gave me. Evil cause I looked all bugged out and crazy. Dusted, embalming and fluid dripping from my nose hole. Stapleton nigga never catch me wearing rose gold. Woo! Yeah. Come on, man. Yo, fuck the CIA, DEA and the feds, they got you bugged, son. Michael tripping your meds, wax like dreads, smoking rags on the list like Craig. Steroids in the chickens, why they feeding us eggs? Hot in the ditch, nigga, snitch, nigga. I won't switch, nigga. Zen position with my finger on the trigger. Pure alkaline, that fluoride will fuck you up. I seen a spaceship fly out the back of a truck. Diamond water, I've been splashed with the fountain of youth. Had a molar fall out, I grew in a gold tooth, bulletproof. My clan swore to surgical steel. I don't feel, I'm comfortably numb, Stapleton slum. Insomniac, I'm charged off the rays of the sun. You can't fuck with me, nigga. This is one-on-one. With the strength of 10 midgets, I'ma murder you, son. It's real. Yeah. Got my swagger back and all that. Minds get blown, shattered into pieces. My thesis is thick like the book of Eli. We live, we die, we put them in the sky. Free your mind that's enslaved like the 4th of July. It's a sandstorm created from original thought. I bust boundaries, son, you just do what you taught. My vocab is powerful, spit shit subliminal. Slang therapist, my whole style is criminal. Bug like Bob Digital, fly visual. Mind, body, and soul, I'm a strong individual. Come through in the final hour with gun showers. Stand the fuck up like Flame to fight the power. I'm an activist, socialist, deadly ass poetry, supreme clientele. I'm a goddamn vocalist. My thoughts are so heavy I can change a generation. The X Factor, we putting holes through inflation. Rock bottom of the asphalt, it's likely your asphalt. My lines of cocaine, the flow is bath salts. I'm a for sure dawn, no one in your circle can box me. This like an oxymoron. I've learned when building your empire, gotta shake the snake in the grass and spark sharks to swim by it. Cause every meathead that speaks street cred ain't banging heat lead and probably cut like sweet bread, wetting they sheet spread. So nigga holler, I coin phrases that trigger dollars. It's butterfly like them shirts made with bigger collars. Women dig the scholar, the broad stiller, who lay him face down and ass up like a car dealer. The time ceases, I'll keep a bed with dime pieces as I palm another phenomenon rhyme thesis. Cause on the contrary, I get it poppin' like dime